Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Bluetooth in Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest and the fastest way to turn off our Bluetooth is to swipe from the top, and by default the Bluetooth option should be here. So we simply tap it once and now our Bluetooth functions are turned off. If this option is not here, go away, we need to go to settings, connections, and our Bluetooth options are here. So we simply tap this little box and now all connected Bluetooth devices are turned off and disconnected from our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.